In this video, we solve the numerical of inclined plane surface submerged in a liquid. So first we understand the problem statement. A circular plate 3-meter diameter means as an inclined plane surface, here circular plate is given and diameter of the circular plate is the 3 meter. It is immersed in a water in such a way that its greatest and least depth below the free surface is 4 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. So here in this diagram we see that it is a free surface of the water. This is the front view of the circular plate. So when we see the circular plate from the front view, it's look like as the one straight lines. And this is the top view. So it is the circular plate. Diameter is mentioned here the 3 meters. And here theta is not given. So in a last numerical we see that the directly theta is given. So here theta is not given, then you feel confused. It is which type of the planes are there, means it is vertical planes, inclined planes or the horizontal planes. But here the two dimensions are given, that is a 4 meter and 1.5 meters, means these plates are inclined at such angles. So its highest distance from the free water surface is the 4 meters and the least depth is the 1.5 meter. So least depth and the highest depth is given, so it is 1.5 meters and the 4 meters. So by using these dimensions we are able to find out the sine theta or a value of the theta. So we need to determine the total pressure on one face of the plate and the positions of center of pressure, means we need to find out the F and H star. So first we write down this given data. So diameter of the plate, that is a D, is the 3 meters. Distance of DC, it is 1.5 meters. So here we see that this is the distance DC, means it is the least depth, and the highest depth BE, it is the 4 meter, means here we give some dimensions to the all the points and then after it's mentioned here. We need to find out F and H star. So first we find out the total pressure force F, and the equation of the total pressure force F is equal to rho GA into H bar. Rho is 1000, G is 9.81. How we find out this area? For the circular plate, area is the pi by 4 D square. So D is given, so we are able to find out the area. Next we need to find out this H bar. So for the find out this H bar, first we need to find out the what is the angle theta or a sine theta is there. So area A is equal to pi by 4 D square. So value of D is the 3. So we need to solve this equation in a calculator, then we get the answer 7.0685 meter squares. H bar is equal to, so H bar means distance between the free water surface and this point G. So this is point G. For a circular plate, point G is at the center and it is extended on the front view, we get this point here. So diameter is 3, means this C to G is equal to 1.5, means from the plate starting point G is located at the center. So from this C point the G is located at 1.5. Okay, and here we need to find out this height. So height is the CD plus this value. Okay, how we find out this value? For that we need to make one triangle. So here point C is given, G is given. In this diagram here no dimension is given, so here we mention it is the F point. Okay, and this is the theta. So this side is 1.5, that we already know how it is coming, and we need to find out these sides. Okay, so what is this side? This side is equal to 1.5 into sine theta, means here we apply this equation of the sine theta. Sine theta is equal to FG divided by CG. Okay, and the value of CG is 1.5. So FG is equal to CG into sine theta. CG is 1.5 into sine theta. But here we are not know the what is the value of theta. So here this our value of the H bar, it is in the form of the sine theta. Okay, so first we need to find out this what is the sine theta. So for find out the sine theta, and we applied this equation for the bigger triangles. Okay, so sine theta is equal to A to B, means here we make one triangle, that is a triangle ACB. Okay, so sine theta is equal to opposite side is the A to B, adjacent, sorry, it is hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is A to B and the hypotenuse is B to C. So this total distance is given 4 meters. So AB is equal to, this is B to E, it is 4 meter minus A to E divided by BC. So BC is 3 meter, that we already know. Okay, so B is the 4 meter, that is the highest depth from the free surface of the water, minus DC. So this AE and DC is same. From here we can see in this diagram A2 is equal to D2C. So D2C is given, that is a 1.5 less depth. So instead of the AE we can write down the DC, and DC is equal to 1.5. So it is 4 minus 1.5 divided by 3. So sine theta is equal to 2.5 divided by 3, and sine theta is equal to 0.833. So instead of this sine theta we can put 0.833. So we are able to find out this h bar. H bar is equal to 1.5 plus 1.5 into sine theta. So instead of sine theta we can return 0.833. So we find out this h bar. H bar is equal to 2.749. Now in this equation we putting all these four value. Rho is 1000, G is 9.81, area is the 7.0685, h bar is 2.749. So we are able to find out this F. So we multiplied all these four value in calculator and we get this answer 190621 newtons. Next we need to find out center of pressure H star. In a last video we already find out what is the equation of the H star. If you don't know how this equation of center of pressure is coming, then I request to watch my last videos, that is the derivations of inclined plane surface submerged in a liquid. For that, link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card. So equations of the center of pressure is equal to Ig into sine square theta divided by A into h bar plus h bar. So what is the Ig? So here we know what is the value of sine theta. Value of sine theta is 0.883. Area we know it is h bar. So what is the Ig is the unknown parameter in these equations. Okay, so first we need to find out the Ig, means moment of inertia of the force F at the point G. It is called as the Ig, and here the circular plates are there. So equation of the Ig is different for the different type of the shape. Here shape is circular. For a circular shape, equation is the pi into d raised to 4 power divided by 64, and the value of d is the 3 meters. And we multiplied or we solved this equation in a calculator, then Ig is equal to 3.976 meter raised to 4. Now we putting all this value of Ig, sine theta, A and h bar, then we are able to find out this h bar. So Ig is the 3.976, here sine square theta. So we multiply this value 0.833 into 0.833, or you can also written 0.833 squares divided by area. Area is 7.0685 into h bar is 2.749 plus h bar, it is 2.749. Then we get this answer of center of pressure H star is equal to 2.891 meter. So here we solve or we find this value of total pressure F and center of pressure H star. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channel for watching the more video related to FMHM and other subject of mechanical engineering. And don't forget to share with your friends.